Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be wrapping up our fourth state on this trip as we approach the North Carolina-Virginia border. We begin in Warren County, North Carolina at mile 226, just 8 miles from the Virginia border. This section of I-85 is very rural and there are no major cities during this video. We've just left a construction zone and this section of highway was recently under construction, so we have a 55 mile per hour construction speed limit even though this part of the project is completed. Exit 233 accesses U.S. Highways 1 and 401. U.S. Route 1 closely parallels I-85 for the remainder of the trip. U.S. 401 is a spur of U.S. 1. Here we encounter an unfortunate motorist who apparently hit a tire blowout and lost control of his truck, causing some minor damage and leaving him facing traffic. Then we finally enter the Commonwealth of Virginia. A sign on the side of the road proclaims Virginia is for lovers. I'm not really sure why that is. It seems more like a place to go for hiking or historical tours. Anyway, we have a 70 mile per hour speed limit and there are frequent signs, 425 of them throughout the state, that say that the speed limit is enforced by aircraft. However, a state police spokeswoman said that they don't actually do that. It's just not a cost-effective way to enforce the speed limit. Radar detectors are also illegal in Virginia, although they wouldn't do much good against the imaginary enforcement aircraft. And finally, if you're caught speeding in excess of 80 miles per hour, you get a mandatory reckless operation citation. We're in Mecklenburg County. We encountered that same county name in North Carolina a few videos back. Mecklenburg County has an estimated population of 30,892. This causeway and bridge crosses Lake Gaston, an impoundment of the Roanoke River. The bridge is named the Arthur T. Hart, M.D. Memorial Bridge. I searched and couldn't find anything about who Dr. Hart was, except that the Commonwealth Transportation Board approved the naming of the bridge in October of 2005. Now, we've mentioned twice now the Commonwealth. Virginia is one of the 50 states of the United States, but Virginia is one of 4 states in the U.S. that is classified as a Commonwealth. Each of these 4 states, Virginia, Kentucky, Massachusetts, and Pennsylvania, were either entirely or in part a British colony prior to July of 1776. All 4 share in common a strong influence of English common law expressed in some of their laws and institutions. The term Commonwealth does not describe or provide for any specific political status or legal relationship when used by a state. A traditional English term for a political community founded for the common good, it is used symbolically to emphasize that these states have a government based on the common consent of the people, as opposed to one legitimized through their earlier colonial status that was derived from the British Crown. It refers to the commonwealth or welfare of the public and is derived from a loose translation of the Latin term res publica. So Virginia is a state, just like the other 49, but citizens of Virginia tend to get bent out of shape if you call it a state, so it's best to stick with Commonwealth. Virginia is called Old Dominion due to its status as the first English colonial possession established in mainland North America. Virginia is also called Mother of Presidents because 8 U.S. presidents were born here, more than any other state. We conclude this video at exit 15, another interchange with US Highway 1. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at shop.spreadshirt.com/504roadtrips. T-shirts start at around $20 and Spreadshirt is always running some kind of sale, so be sure to look for discount codes. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.